Let's see right here. Presentation. This is his model right here, guys. Let's check it out. We're gonna zoom in. Wow. That's crazy. How long did it take you, Hector? That's crazy. Yeah. Yeah. I love the murals and then also the etching like on the glass. That's dope, man. Now let's check out the other side. Oh, nice. So let's get the other side right here. Wow, look at that. Yeah, I love the stands too and the wheels. Everything on there, man. And you got the lights. Yeah, everything up there. Wow, dude. That's crazy. Check it out, guys. So that's the layout right here. We'll get close up in a little bit right now. Just want to share with you guys the vibes. Everybody's chopping it up, talking. This is the fun part right here. You get to see it all in person, meet new people. Let's see, we're gonna do a lineup here. Hey, what's up, man? How you doing? What up, Squirrel? It's all good, man. Next time. Hopefully you could come out, bro. You need to come out here. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Everyone tuned in. Shout out to Chris. We got Chris's bug right here, all the way from the UK. It is zooming in. Hey guys, how you guys?
Where's everybody? Hey guys, you're not here.
All right.
Be here. Come on down.
Oh, Slowly Models is live right now. He's saying what's up in the chat. Bro, what's up? All right. That's cool. Hey, what's up? Pretty good, pretty good. Let's see. Love it, love it. This is Pro Customs. Love right here. We got it right here with Chris's. Oh yeah, guys.
Stop me wanting to do a bit more with feed audience now, doing something a bit silly.
We have Slowly Models.
He designed the pages, and Rudy Munoz. Rudy, and then I just sprayed it. All I did is spray with Mr. Javi's black, Mr. Javi's.
Yeah, you're very cool.
Hey, Dan.
Kind of gets a little bit of.
What up, Slowly? Got your model right here.
Stuff or regular stuff. So, June 13th, Santa Anita Park. He wants me to put this with all the food.
Yeah, that's cool.
Santa Anita Park, so they will have air cool park.
That is very cool.
I can bring bear, I can bring porch, and Carmendia, Volkswagen. Besides the park is, it's going to be big.
This is a
I'm going to put the higher business count.
yeah. I'm just glad I got one on the table. There's something insane about talking. There's some very talented people. They can sick. I mean, I love knives. With a stained glass window. That's really cool. There's a few from the UK as well.
Yeah. We said Armando sauce. One just came in there too.
Yeah. Oh, you give it that oil on and check that. About some stuff at the moment. Yeah, I'm gonna have to check it out. That's basically why we use model about that. So give it that.
Okay, so we're going to be first ticket to the raffle. We have a lovely system here. All right, ticket number 101424. 101. Ticket number 101494. Ticket 101494. And we've got a winner.
See where the show was. Because you're talking to David, I never got a chance to say it to him. With these shows, I would say it's not
70? Wow. So far, man, that's awesome. I love them because they're all different. Every single one. Ooh. We still got some more time. I'll look at the interior in this one.
impressive. We're doing something similar with the raffles in November. They're doing it with people we're doing something similar to this.
Okay, so the next one is going to be a Honda
So I've got my shit. What we do? What are the guys called? Cases.
You got 101530. 1015.
Yeah, yeah. I wanted to see it. I'm sorry, though. I'd love to see my
Okay, so the next one is Junior Johnson.
All right, let's take a look at the room.
Okay, and we got the ticket coming out for the assistant. 101510.
doing? Good. Good seeing you. Hey, Armando.
Okay, last one in this
Is that Boulevard night?
70.
Oh, okay. I talked to him first, but I haven't met him in person. Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Let's see what's up. Yeah.